Welcome to Best Buying Guide. The best flour bulk is probably one of the most versatile ingredients in any kitchen, forming the foundation for everything from crusty breads and fluffy cakes to savory sauces and crispy coatings, making it an indispensable staple for home bakers and culinary enthusiasts alike. And today we're diving deep into what makes a bulk flour purchase a smart move for your pantry. Number 5. Jovial Organic Einkorn Unbleached All-Purpose Flour. Experience the rich, nutty flavor of our organic einkorn flour. It's perfect for all your baking needs, from crusty breads to delicate pastries. This flour is made from ancient einkorn, a heritage grain known for its unique taste and nutritional benefits. You'll love the results in your sourdough and pizza dough. Enjoy the natural high protein content that makes our flour ideal for achieving a great rise and texture in your baked goods. It's a wholesome choice for your family. We believe in purity. Our flour is unbleached and non-GMO, ensuring you get the best quality without any unwanted additives. It's a difference you can taste. Sourced from traditional European Italian farms, this flour brings authentic flavor to your kitchen. Elevate your pasta and bread recipes with its superior quality. Your health and well-being are important. That's why our flour is glyphosate-free, grown with care and respect for the environment. Bake with confidence. What we like. This flour is milled from an ancient grain, offering a unique flavor and texture. Its high protein content makes it excellent for sourdough and artisanal breads. If you're looking for a heritage flour with superior baking performance, this is a fantastic choice. What people say. This flour is very finely milled, resulting in a smooth texture that incorporates easily into batters and doughs. The flour has a neutral flavor profile, making it versatile for both sweet and savory baking applications. It has a good gluten development, which is essential for achieving a chewy texture in bread and pasta. Number 4. King Arthur Baking Company All-Purpose Unbleached Flour. Discover the difference quality makes with our all-purpose unbleached flour. It's the perfect foundation for all your baking adventures, ensuring delicious results every time. You can bake with confidence knowing our flour is non-GMO project verified. We are committed to providing you with pure, wholesome ingredients for your family. Our all-purpose flour meets strict kosher standards. This certification ensures it aligns with dietary guidelines, making it suitable for a wider range of needs. Enjoy the natural goodness of flour without any added preservatives. We believe in keeping our ingredients simple and pure for the best taste and quality. Stock up and save with our convenient 12-pack of 2-pound bags. You'll always have this essential baking staple on hand when inspiration strikes. For centuries, bakers have trusted our flour for consistent, high-quality results. Elevate your baking with the reliable choice that generations have loved. What we like. This is a staple for many bakers, known for its reliable and consistent results. It's a versatile flour suitable for a wide range of recipes. If you need a dependable all-purpose flour for everyday baking and don't want to worry about variations, this is your go-to option. What people say. The flour bin is sturdy and holds a lot of flour. It's easy to scoop flour out of this bin. The lid fits tightly, keeping the flour fresh. Number 3. Great River Milling Lily White All-Purpose Flour. Experience the natural goodness of our all-purpose flour. It's crafted with non-GMO and kosher ingredients, ensuring purity in every bite. Our flour is unbromated and unbleached, preserving its natural qualities. This means you get a cleaner, better ingredient for all your baking needs. Achieve consistent results with its balanced protein and gluten content. It's ideal for creating perfectly textured baked goods every time. Whether you're using a bread maker or a conventional oven, this flour is your go-to. It performs beautifully in a wide range of recipes. Get more value with our convenient 25 pounds pack. It's perfect for avid bakers and ensures you always have quality flour on hand. What we like. This flour comes in a substantial 25 pounds bag, perfect for serious home bakers or small bakeries. Its lily white designation means a fine texture and mild flavor, while balanced protein ensures good structure. If you bake frequently and want a high-quality, versatile flour in bulk, this is an excellent value. What people say. The flour bin is made of sturdy metal and has a tight-fitting lid to keep the flour fresh. It's a good size for storing a large bag of flour and fits nicely in my pantry. The scoop that comes with it is handy for measuring out portions. Number 2. Organic soft white whole grain wheat berries. Discover the wholesome goodness of our organic soft white wheat berries. These non-GMO grains are perfect for your home milling needs. Unlock a world of culinary possibilities with these versatile berries. They are ideal for crafting delicious breads, pastries, and cereals. Enjoy the natural benefits of these whole grain wheat berries. They are certified kosher, ensuring quality and purity in every bite. Our generous 25-pound bag provides an abundant supply for all your baking and cooking endeavors. You'll have plenty to share or store. Experience the freshest flour by milling these wheat berries at home. Achieve superior taste and texture in your baked goods. Transform your homemade breads with the rich flavor and texture of these whole grain berries. They add a delightful chew and nutty taste. What we like? These are whole wheat berries, giving you the freshest flour possible when milled at home. They are incredibly versatile, suitable for everything from hearty breads to delicate pastries. If you enjoy the process of milling your own flour for maximum freshness and nutritional value, these berries are ideal. What people say. The flour bin is made of stainless steel, which is durable and easy to clean. It has a large capacity, holding up to 25 pounds of flour, which is great for bulk storage. The airtight lid keeps the flour fresh and prevents pests from getting in. Number 1. Organic whole wheat flour, 25 pounds bag. Discover the wholesome goodness of our premium organic whole wheat flour. Perfect for all your baking needs, from crusty breads to tangy sourdough starters. This versatile flour is specially milled to provide the ideal texture and flavor for your favorite bread recipes. It also makes an excellent base for cultivating vibrant sourdough starters. We believe in natural quality. That's why our flour is unbleached and unbromated, ensuring a pure and wholesome ingredient for your kitchen. You can bake with confidence knowing that our flour is non-GMO and kosher certified. It meets high standards for quality and purity. Our convenient 25-pound bag provides ample supply for avid bakers and professional kitchens. Enjoy the value and convenience of this bulk option. Elevate your baking with flour that's as good for you as it is delicious. Experience the rich, nutty flavor and superior texture it brings to every loaf. What we like? This is a whole wheat flour in a convenient 25 pounds bag, perfect for those who bake a lot of whole grain products. It's specifically highlighted for its suitability for bread baking and sourdough starters, offering a robust flavor and texture. If you're dedicated to whole wheat baking and need a large supply for your sourdough adventures, this flour is a great pick. What people say. This flour bin is a great size for bulk flour. It holds a 25 pounds bag of flour with room to spare. The lid seals tightly, keeping the flour fresh. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.